I am from Gauras Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 4, exercise 5.5. Differentiate the function x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x with respect to x. Here you can see the given function in the question. Variable x is there, variable x is there. Variable x के power variable. Here constant के power sin x is variable. Variable के power variable, constant के power variable. So when this type of question is there in which the given function consists of variable के power variable or constant के power variable, then in this case we shall separate the both terms and simplify the function by logarithmic method. So here I shall write solution. Let y equal to x raised to power x minus 2 x. Let y equal to x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power sin x. Here you can see in the given function the first term is x raised to power x. X is variable, the variable raised to power variable, and second term is constant raised to power variable. Sin x is variable, the constant raised to power variable. Two terms are available. In this case, we shall let each term and process each term by logarithmic method. So here again I shall write let x raised to power x equal to u and 2 raised to power sin x equal to v. Then imply that y equal to, in place of x raised to power x I shall write u minus 2 raised to power sin x I shall write v. Y equal to u minus v. Then here I shall take x raised to power x equal to u. Here variable raised to power variable equal to u. First of all I shall take this one. Now x raised to power x means variable raised to power variable equal to u. On taking log in both sides, on taking log in both sides, here I shall write log x raised to power x equal to log u. Again I shall write here log x raised to power x equal to log u. You know the formula log m raised to power n equal to n log m. By applying this formula, log x raised to power x will become x log x equal to log u. This thing you have got. Just reverse the function here. So here I shall write log u equal to x dot log x. Again I shall write d wrt x. It will become d over dx of log u equal to d over dx of x dot log x. Again I shall write here in the center function u is there, in denominator function x is available. U and x are different thing. That's why du over dx will be multiplied. Here in place of u, if you put here log x, in place of u, if you put here x, the d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x. In place of x, I shall write here u multiply to du over dx. This thing you will get. 1 over u dot du over dx equal to, here you can see x dot log x. Two functions are multiplied here. First function x, second function log x. So here I shall apply d over dx of x dot log x. Here we shall apply product rule. By applying product rule, first function dot derivative of second function d over dx of log x plus second function log x dot d over dx of x. We shall get 1 over, in place of u, I shall write x raised to power x dot du over dx equal to x dot, here d over dx of log x comes out to be 1 over x plus, in bracket I shall write log x dot d over dx of x comes out to be 1. So this thing you will get, then imply that du over dx equal to x raised to power x is there in denominator available in left hand side. That will be moved back to right hand side. To here x raised to power x will multiply to the right hand side function. So here I shall write x raised to power x, in bracket I shall write x dot 1 over x comes out to be 1 plus log x you have got. So this thing you have got du over dx equal to x raised to power x dot 1 plus log x. We shall get. Now again I shall take the second function v equal to 2 raised to power sin x. This thing I shall take. V equal to 2 raised to power sin x. Here I shall write on taking log in both sides. So here I shall write log v equal to log 2 raised to power sin x. We will get here log v equal to sin x dot log u. dwrt x. So I shall write here imply that d over dx of log v equal to d over dx of log 2 dot sin x. Imply that d over dx of log v, we shall get 1 over v dot dv over dx, and here I shall get log 2 is constant here, and d over dx of sin x 1 over, put the value of v. Value of v I shall take from this place 2 raised to power sin x equal to dv over dx log 2 dot d over dx of sin x comes out to be cos x. So here you will get dv over dx equal to 2 raised to power sin x will be 1 bracket dot log 2 will be in another bracket dot cos x. I shall write. This thing will be written. So here you have got dv over dx. You have got. Here you have got du over dx. This thing you have got. Hence, y equal to u minus v implied that d WRT x, we shall get dy over dx equal to du over dx minus dv over dx, implied that dy over dx equal to du over dx. I shall take this value. So here I shall write x raised to power x dot 1 plus log x minus dv over dx I shall take from this place. So here I shall write 2 raised to power sin x log 2 dot cos x. This will be the correct answer you have got. dy over dx equal to x raised to power x dot 1 plus log x bracket close minus 2 raised to power sin x dot log 2 dot cos x. The answer will be, answer implied that dy over dx equal to x raised to power x dot 1 plus log x minus 2 raised to power sin x dot log 2 dot cos x. This will be the correct answer you have got. Answer will be dy over dx is equal to x raised to power x dot 1 plus log x bracket close minus 2 raised to power sin x dot log 2 dot cos x. This will be the correct answer you have got. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 4 that has been taken from exercise 5.5 chapter 5 continuity and differentiability. This is the one of the important question I have mentioned here. Okay guys, thanks.